In this tutorial, we will see that how can change Instagram region and country on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to launch this Instagram. After launching it, you have to click on these three lines that's showing right upper side. After clicking it, you will be on this settings and activity. Then from here, you have to scroll it down until you find here this account type and tools. Open it, and here for the first step to change Instagram region or country, we have to switch our account into professional one. Click on this switch to professional account and click continue. You can choose here what best describes you and click on this done. After clicking it, it's important. You have to select here this business in order to change Instagram region and country. After selecting it, at the bottom side you will see here this next. Click on that, click next, and then it will show you this window here, review your contact info. So here in this business address, you have to open it first and then simply you have to write the address from the region or country that you want to change, and after writing it you can simply click on this save button. So that's how you can change Instagram region and country on Instagram in just few easy steps.